back to another video. I want to talk to you guys today real quick about what is wrong with my car currently. We're not going to talk about that. That's coming in a future video. Subwoofer, you guys know I put this thing back here. Oh, you gotta see it. It's in there. She's not working. I don't know. Always having grounding issues with it. Also got to get my battery put in for the dash cam, which I've had for a year, just haven't gotten around to it. The interior is filthy. Just no time to do anything. I'm trying to get other stuff done and help other people and get everything done. Front end's actually good. I have one massive stone chip. My front splitter, which I will get touch-up paint for and touch it up. But that is what it is. There's actually a few pretty crazy ones, like this one here. Through the vinyl, through the paint, through everything. So if you want to PPF your car, it does not mean you're not going to get stone chips. The under the hood here, nothing really to report. Everything is running fine, but the CAMARO, all of the vinyl's coming off. That looks horrible. Thought about fixing it myself, but I have this thing on this car called a warranty, so I might as well get a new set while it is still under warranty. That's pretty much it for issues on the car, aside from shutter. The shutter on this car, transmission-wise, is absolutely unbelievable. It just keeps getting worse, and I've been waiting for probably 2.5 months for the dealership to get back to me and give me a heads up on what's actually going on with the fix. It's supposed to be a new fix that will actually fix it, because the oil's getting contaminated every time they put it in, so you just get moisture in there, which creates shutter and problems and everything else. So this is supposed to fix it, but waiting forever and a day for it to come in is not doing me absolutely any good. I also have a giant mark on my rim. I have no idea how this happened. The rims were face to face and strapped in to my holder. You can see it right there. So I do have a fix for that as well, which you guys will both laugh at, shake your heads, and think, oh, only him. But, you know, that is what it is. So, I don't know. Car runs good. I'm having a ton of fun with it. But I do want to get some of the stuff sorted. I'm hoping to put a new wing on the back, get rid of the beaver tail. I'm hoping MBRP calls me. We've scheduled 9 phone calls that have never happened. I've been waiting over 2 months for this phone call to see what's going on, and absolutely nothing. Might have a mod going on in this region, which is pretty cool. And then I might be doing a new rear diffuser as well, trying to spruce up the back. I thought, in the spirit of a new exhaust, maybe Uberstock's not happy. Maybe a new diffuser would make me even more happy. So, I don't know. Love the car. Just endlessly frustrated with people not calling and people not getting stuff back, and I don't know. It's just been a long winter, I guess, and I need to clean the car and finish my to-do list before I start other projects. One thing I am going to point out, because literally nobody's noticed, is I put carbon fiber wrap in this portion of the vent. It's literally been there for over 2 years, and not one person has ever noticed, which I find pretty hilarious. It is what it is. If anything, it's just protecting it from my beautiful detailing jobs, which, by the way, I learned how to detail yesterday. I don't have, it'd take probably 48 hours to paint correct this car. That just ain't gonna happen. So I'm just gonna keep doing my thing. So that's pretty much everything wrong with the Camaro after almost 3 years of ownership. 3 winters, towing, racing, daily driving, everything you could imagine. Still love the car. I guess that's the long and short of it. But she is starting to show her age a wee bit, and she does need a little bit of love, a little bit of service, and an oil change. So that's that. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.